Hey guys, Andrew from Deity Microphones. I'm back with Josh. The #1 requested video so far in the comments have been, how do you treat an echoey room? Well, Josh is pretty much a good expert on that, and we found ourselves an echoey room. Josh, are you up for the challenge?
Hell yeah.
There we go, we've got a hell yeah. So let's see what this room sounds like before we sound treat it.
Whew! Mondays, right?
You're telling me, man.
5 o'clock yet?
Good. No.
The key to dampening a reflective room is to soften the hard surfaces. The most widely available tool on a film set for this purpose is a furniture pad, or FURNI pad, basically an absorbent sound blanket. We put one FURNI pad on the floor to lessen the reflections between the hard wood and the ceiling. We also put 3 FURNI pads on C-stands. By spreading these out across the room, we prevent echoes from occurring from surfaces off camera. So Josh, tell us what we did here today.
Well, we took 4 FURNI pads and put 3 of them on C-stands and 1 on the floor.
One on the floor? What's the one on the floor doing?
Well, the one on the floor doing taking the standing wave from their voices from the hardwood floor to the ceiling.
Okay, so we're trying to kill that standing wave
Yes.
by making sure everything's kind of nice and soft and padded.
That's the idea.
Perfect. Why don't we give this a listen and let's do it all over again, but now with the sound treated room.
Speaking of which, did you know that pigs will eat human bone?
I did not know that.
Yeah, you can feed a human to a pig and they'll eat the whole thing.
Okay.
It's like if a cat met a penguin and then they got into some sort of terrible argument involving a blender.
You know, pigs find truffles, your aunt's dog finds severed heads.
Thank you so much, Josh, for teaching us about sound treating a room.
Of course.
It's all about just trying to kill that standing wave and make sure the reflective surfaces are softened, right?
That's the plan.
Simple as that. Thank you so much. We're gonna get out of here. Have fun with your shoot.
Thank you.
And there you have it. Now you know how to sound treat an echoey environment. If you liked the video, hit subscribe, the notification bell, follow us on all social media platforms at Deity Microphones. Don't forget to leave a comment below and tell us what our next video should be about. The winning comment is going to win a Deity shotgun microphone. I'm Andrew from Deity Microphones. Remember, sound is half the picture.